Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today I got something a little bit different, but still nonetheless very, very cool. Today I'm here at Cella Motors. I'll have a link to their website in the description below. This is a pretty darn cool collection of a bunch of different vehicles, with every single car seen in this image here with under 5,000 miles on it. Delivery mileage Z28, delivery miles GT500, delivery mileage ZL1. This IROC Z has 5,000 miles, this Cyclone has 2,900 miles, and this Viper has a little over 900 miles on it. So I wanted to go ahead, take a walk around of some of these cars, because you're really not gonna see these cars anywhere else. And also, that is kit back there. The car's kind of a work in progress right now, but that is kit from Knight Rider. So we'll make sure to take a look at that. Absolutely gorgeous Z28 here. But let's start here with this Viper. Take a look at this 900 mile Viper with what looks to be all of your service records and everything. Just look at that. All books and manuals, absolutely everything that you would need. Let's take a peek here. How do you open this? Take a look at this. I don't think you'll see a nicer quality nicer quality Viper here. All books, manuals, absolutely everything. Wow, just so cool. So cool. Wow. Now we'll move on to this Cyclone. 1991 GMC Cyclone. Take a look at this thing. Oh, I'm gonna sit in it. What can I say? Original window sticker. 2985 miles. This is cool. 4.3 liter turbocharged V6. Man, this is just cool. I didn't know they had that. Vehicle is not intended for off-road use. Huh, I didn't know that warning was there, and I can promise you a lot of these Cyclones that exist now probably don't have that warning in them, because it's just come off with time. But with this delivery mileage example, that is probably the nicest paint. This is original paint. This truck is original. I mean, just look at this thing. And here, your 15 Camaro Z28, it's the 427 out of the Corvette Z06. Oh my goodness. Obviously in the wrapper. That's not gonna hit anything. In the wrapper. Look at this thing. I don't think you'll find one original steering wheel wrap. You won't find one as nice as this anywhere. Oh my goodness gracious. This is so cool. Look at this 305 carbon ceramics. These are Trofeo R's. What's the treadwear rating on these things? Because I know the Demon was like 000 treadwear. These are 60. Your normal all-season tire has a treadwear rating of 500. These are 60s. These are not touring tires. And of course, really, really cool with the Z28 was the Chevy flow tie. So a hollowed out Chevy bow tie. Carbon fiber here. Oh my God. Be very careful going between them. 23 miles on this Z28. This is just cool. I don't think I've ever sat in one of these before. Nevertheless, a 10-year-old, almost new car. Take a step back. Make sure not to hit the Eruption green GT500. Isn't this thing cool? Wow. 2022 Eruption green GT500. Everything as it was from the factory. Oh. This is just cool. Look at this. Look at the carbon fiber. I mean, even your sun visors are still wrapped in plastic. Kick plate still here. This one has the carbon fiber track pack. Gonna have your, let me turn on my flashlight here. Carbon fiber wheels. Oh yeah. That's your e-brake versus full. Those 4-piston calipers in the rear? Yeah, it looks to be it. Carbon fiber rear wing. Look at this Eruption green. Has almost like a bronze flake to it once you shine the light on it. Turn my way back to this IROC Z in a quick second. Let's take a look at this. 2012 ZL1. Delivery mileage as well. How many miles are on you? 25 miles. You know, this car is 11 years old. And it has 25 miles, right? Yep, 25 miles. This thing, suede wheel. Let's take a look at that. Sunroof? Sunroof, look at that. Boston premium sound. Oh my goodness. That is just cool. This one has a very, very rare factory option. That grille is not aftermarket. That is a factory option, and it's listed on the window sticker. Body color, front grille. Global warming score, who cares about that? So let's take gas guzzler tax, the sunroof, exposed carbon fiber hood insert, footwell and cup holder lighting kit, interior suede pack. It's only $500. Dodge charges $2,000 for that now. The grille, there it is, body color, factory grille, the solid dark gray stripe, the upgraded wheels, floor mats, and cargo mat. See, I collect those window stickers, so to see one on a car that it's still delivery mileage is just absolutely amazing to me. Oh, and it still has all the original brochure, the owner's manual. 1988 Camaro IROC Z with 5,000 miles. This car, what are we at? 5305. I mean, you will not find in this area in New England, you're not going to find one like this. And here it is. with your T-tops, which I don't think I've ever sat in a car with T-tops. This is just a 5,300 mile IROC Z. And like I said, this one, it's a bit of a work in progress. I should hopefully have a review of this come summertime, but this is kit. This is kit. Look at this thing. Like I said, they're kind of working on some electrical gremlins, so it's kind of taken apart. But once it's put together, the weather's nice, should be able to do a review of kit, but just so cool. I'm very, very excited / curious to see what it's like to drive with that. It's probably going to be a little complicated, but we'll see what happens. It's just cool. So cool. So that's it. The current inventory at Cella Motors. This one's, I believe it was a 383 stroker that's in that. Again, in absolutely impeccable condition. But that's the current collection here at Cella Motors. Most, if not all of these cars are for sale or will be for sale at some point. Look on Bring a Trailer, look on their website. This one, I believe, Paul, correct me if I'm wrong, I believe this one's going to be hitting Bring a Trailer shortly. So go ahead, check out Bring a Trailer. Keep your eyes out for when these cars, if they're not currently on the market, they will be. But this is just a pretty cool collection of essentially, mostly, I know these three right here are delivery mileage, and you got a 5,000 mile 88 IROC, a 2,900 mile 91 Cyclone, and a 900 mile, I believe 92 Viper. Correct me if I'm wrong, I have the memory of a goldfish, so. How many miles? 941. 941 mile Viper. This is cool. And Paul here at Cella Motors, he always has stuff like this. He has, I believe, another delivery mileage GT500 on the way, and another low mileage IROC. No, a Formula. I think he said a Pontiac Formula on the way. He always has really, really cool cars. I'll link his Instagram, his Facebook, their website, and then as long as he's willing, his Bring a Trailer ID, so you can follow him when these cars start going live. But this is pretty cool to take a look around this collection and show you guys these cars that you can't find anymore. Where are you going to find a delivery mileage ZL1 or a delivery mileage Z28? These right now are kind of common, but I've never seen them. I've never seen one in the wrapper, in Eruption green, with the carbon fiber track pack. You're never going to find one of these, a 91 Cyclone with 2,900 miles, and you're never going to find one of those. This is just cool. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Paul, for having me. This is pretty cool, to say the least. Hopefully, I'll be making a couple more stops here as the year progresses. Check out what comes in, what heads out. Hopefully, once the weather's nicer, we'll be able to take a POV test drive of some of these cars. Hopefully, that Viper as well. Just be able to experience some of these cars, even if I just come by to do walkarounds of these. It's just going to be cool because I don't know where else I could find delivery mileage examples like these. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you, Paul, for having me. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next video.